Hey, welcome back, YouTube. Again, I always gotta say thanks for watching. I'm D from D's Eye Photography. If you get a chance, subscribe, follow, take a look at what we're doing. Just came back from a wedding today. Had a nice wedding. So I wanted to drop a video, what's in your bag. Let me show you my wedding kit for right now. I'm selling a lot of my gear. So I got some upgrades on the way. I'm gonna show you what's in my camera bag. Show you what we got. Pretty nice. Inside my bag, of course, your checklist. I got this from the bride. She had everything she was looking for, that she wanted photographed, of course. And then I have my microfiber rag. So none of this is you have to do this. This is just what I shoot with for me. Like I said, we're going raw and dirty. It's a dead cat, just in case somebody wants to talk. Alright, so we'll start off with my camera body, A7 II. Got it paired up with the 24mm Sigma Art lens. Love this lens. And then this is my second body. And on that body, we're shooting 35mm Sigma Art. Another art lens. The glass is not quite as big as the other one. And so this bag is nice because it holds two bodies with lenses, with the lens on it. As you can see, rocket blower, GoPro. Of course, you have your Godox. I shoot Godox. Let's get the Godox trigger. Also, in here you have your speed light. This is the TT685. Then you gotta have some modifiers, soft light, just in case. And in here, I usually carry my batteries in here. They probably, because it's Sony, batteries are all probably died. Have this for on the go. You gotta keep those batteries charged when you're dealing with the Sony. And then here, Peak Design capture clip. Peak Design capture clip. Man, this thing is nice. Those who don't know what that is, you attach that to the bottom of your camera. You keep it attached to your hip. This goes through the belt. Clip that on your belt or your camera strap. It's able to lock in and out. As you can see, that's in pretty nice. Comes out, you shoot, blam, 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 snap, snap, snap. Click it back, it's locked in. If you want to add a extra bit of security, you turn that knob, and yeah, so we have that. And sometimes you need a extra bit of lighting. I have my aperture light. You want to attach that to the top of the camera. Boom, lighting on the go. See how that works? You can adjust however you need it. I guess this would be good, huh? Light up this bag. So yeah, it's the Aperture AL-M9. This thing gets super bright too. See that? Look at that. See how helpful that is? Aperture AL-M9. And it comes with some other stuff, but it's not a product review. So I keep that in there. And to go, I should have showed you this at first. This is Sony 85 f1.8. It's also in the bag. I guess that needs no explaining. You know what that's for. Get those nice intimate shots. Peak Design strap. Love this thing. So I can switch from camera to camera depending on which Peak Design I'm not using. So let's say I have this on my hip, right? Got a camera on my hip. Got another camera over the shoulder strap. So how this works, this is fantastic. Love this. Quick release. There's your quick release there. Take that. Clips in. Same thing on the other side. I don't know if you can see that. Now you're all strapped in, ready to rock. Okay? And then when you want to put it all away, lock and load it. In this case, unlock and unload it. So I usually roll that up. Stuff it in on the side there. So we went over that. We got extra wires. Never know when you're gonna need them. Just regular USB stuff. Power bank. Make sure it's charged. Ooh, it's partially charged. Bought this on Black Friday about 3 years ago for $9. Have 2 of them, still kicking strong. Allen wrench, you never know what you gotta tighten up. Well, we know what that is. Rags, front and rear element caps. And then last but not least, my macro lens. I probably got this for about $20 with the LAEA4 adapter, A-mount, it's A-mount glass. I think it's sharp as a tack. This is something to be desired. The LAE mount is not all that great, but if you're taking shots of rings, it's easy. So that's what's in the bag. We have that, and that's how I roll to my weddings. Matter of fact, bonus, might as well show you some lighting. And then there's my lighting kit. Godox everything. Boom. Worst come to worst, detach the heads like so. Attach it on the back. And you have your ADB, but we won't get into that too much. So guys, well guys, that's what's in the kit. I just decided I'd show you what I shot with on this last wedding here. Seems like one of my lights died, so we're working with a little bit of weird lighting. I don't know, maybe it's let's see, how's that look? Well, we'll find out. Again, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Just wanted to share with you what I shoot with. Nothing special, nothing spectacular. Stay tuned. We'll see you on the next video. Like I always said at the very beginning, I got to get back to saying it and reminding you guys, you got to get out there, live, love, and enjoy life before it's over.